Hey everybody, welcome to the end of day number 7. So we had John Duart up here, and he was helping us get the stairs all prepped out and ready, and we had to remove the old stairs in order to get ready for the new stairs. And so we did a lot of demo, and that demo was kind of yesterday into today. And so yesterday was most of the demo, and today we're doing most of the back framing. So we've got our support here. This is supporting across a couple of joists, because we're going to end up cutting these back in order to make room for the new hole that's going to be the staircase that's going to go up. The other thing we did was we framed this wall here, and we put this wall up and in place because it's going to be our new exterior wall. And well, at the moment we've got a window within a window, so we still have the garage door, and that was a sliding garage door that's on the outside, and that's going to remain like that until we get through the winter. But we ended up building this wall, and since you didn't see it, I did take some pictures so you can kind of see the process of how we just built the whole wall on the ground. And then we framed it up, and then we put the tar paper on it, and then we put the window in, and then we lifted the whole thing up and into place. And so that was just quick and easy, and that goes up. So then eventually that outer door is going to come off completely, and then that whole bit that we just did is going to be all ready and set for siding. So we had to do that in order to support the floor here, because this is all going to get cut out. And when that gets cut out to make the stairs that will go to the second floor artist loft, well, we have to have this cut here and then a diagonal and into that cross beam. And so it wasn't really designed for that, and that's why we kind of had to get all of these extra pieces in here in order to do all our supporting. So that's really where we were. We did demo yesterday, and then we started getting all our back framing in. So now that we have this here, this is going to act as our support not only for the roof, but also for the stairs. Our next step here is going to be a platform. The platform is going to go, and it's going to be the same level as we've been talking about as that door. And then we're going to just kind of have a little vault here. So we're going to have 2 cross beams, that one supporting the floor, another one here supporting that. And the whole reason we're going to do that is we don't want to lose this space underneath the stairs, so we're going to be able to go straight back, and we're not going to have any joists. So that floor is going to go straight back, and then we're going to come off this wall with some more 2x6s like we have done up there, so that it comes all the way down, and that way when we look up, it's going to be a flat wall. And right now the walls are a little bit, well, I'm going to call them wonky, and so now we're going to take the 2x6s, extend them all the way down, straighten them out, so as you look at that, it's not going to seem like there's any bends or anything. So that's where we are, end of day number 7. Day number 8, we're going to see that platform come in, hopefully the stairs coming down and wrapping in, so we'll be able to get back into the house without using the ladder. And then, well, that's about it. Once we start getting these stairs ready, it was just all of getting all this support stuff ready. So that wall will have to go in, and then that's going to give us our anchor on that side for the stairs. And then once we're here, it's all about this cutout. So we get that cutout in place so all the boards are supported, and then we'll be able to wrap this right around and get that beautiful staircase in. So thanks for checking in, day number 7. And if I don't catch you tomorrow, it'll definitely be the next day as I do it. But we've been really jamming early morning into the evening, so trying to get as many of the videos in as I can without being exhausted. So thanks for checking it out. Please leave a like, go to the YouTube channel, subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and we'll see you all next time.